If you want to set up Face Unlock on Redmi 15, all you have to do is first of all open Settings, then we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and we want to choose Fingerprints, Face Data, and Screen Lock. After that, you should be able to find Face Unlock over here, but in order to set it up, you also have to have a Screen Lock password, so remember to set up one if you don't have it yet. And we're gonna proceed to Face Unlock. Now after that, we need to enter our Screen Lock password and press Next. Over here, press Start. You will open the front camera after that. Well, first we have to press Next after a couple of seconds. And once you see the camera, you can just put your face inside the frame in order to start scanning it. And after that, once you scan your face, you should be able to simply press Done. You can even customize the name if you want to, but you can just press Done button. And over here we have some settings that you can go through if you want to change something in how Face Unlock works. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.